Top of the morning to you all, April 18th, 2021, 10:42 a.m. And I'm sure a lot of you saw these temperatures and wanted to go right back to bed this morning. That very much includes myself, but we got to talk about what's going on, and that is another polar blast. What would April be without a late season polar blast? We got to take a look at this from start to finish. And as much as I hate to be the one to bring you the bad news, I'll explain why we are seeing this late season snow. Yes, that's snow. And in this delicate transfer of seasons, we have constant mix of the warm Gulf air with the polar air that comes down from Canada. So you're looking at a GIF here that goes over the next couple days. And clearly what we're looking at is a big dip in the jet stream. So we've talked about this many times, especially during hurricane season, and doesn't just act as a force field that could deter a hurricane, but also is the reason that cold or warm air comes up into the US or down from Canada. Basically, you are looking at a video of the polar vortex, which in turn becomes our jet stream. And these different ups and downs, the roller coaster of our jet stream, then determines whether the cold air or warm air is present. So keep in mind as we move forward, when the jet stream dips like this, you can expect the cold air to fill in that gap. And then when we have those upflows from the south, we can expect the warm Gulf air to be able to flow up. So what's going on is we are having a down dip. And once again is the reason that today, tomorrow, and the next day we could be seeing that snow in the central west areas, even the northern west coast. We got right here, Idaho, Montana, stretching all the way down to Colorado and the Rockies. And then as we move into the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, we see that chance of the snow flowing up to the northeast. Check that out, right under the Great Lakes as well. What I did here is went ahead and took these snapshots from Null School, and I kind of spliced them together so we can get a good look at that dip coming in, and we can see start to finish as it begins to bleed down into the United States, hanging out for about 5 or 6 days even before it gets up to that most northeastern part of the U.S. near Nova Scotia. And now with all that amazing information, we are starting to understand why we're seeing all these freeze warnings in Oklahoma and Texas, the center part of the country, and then the winter storm warnings beginning to flow in just as the beginning of the dip begins for another week of bipolar weather. If all goes according to plan, as we said before, around the 22nd, 23rd, possibly this could be escaping and finishing off in the northeast. We may have another one of these coming up in the near future. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. I don't want to overwhelm you on this beautiful Sunday. The sun is back out a little bit out here, so we're going to go take advantage. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget that notification bell. Shout out to Canada, and a special happy birthday to my buddy Matthew out there. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.